guys, good evening. So ngayon we're trying to build a set for Deccan Sage, no? So let's see for the weapon. I rather pick magical crit damage increase and crit rate, no? Para magamit mo siya sa boss, sa mobs farming, and also sa PvP. We have one, meron tayong blue dito, and also we have a green one here. So we are lacking the base, no? Sa helm naman, let's proceed to the helm. So armor. So sa helm naman, we're gonna build magical pen and MP regen. Okay, so may dalawa, magical and magic MP regen. Ito tatlo, 4, 5, kulang pa tayo ata ng MP regen, no. Anyways, HP is also good, pero MP regen yung pipiliin ko, no, para pang farm na rin siya. As you can see, no, tataas yung mana mo dyan. Kita mo yung mana ko, guys, no. Observe nyo sa upper left corner, ito dito banda, tataas yan, no, after mo magamit ng ilang skill. So yan yung effect ng MP regen. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, come on. Ang tagal hindi pa nauubos yung mana, no. Yan, so that's the effect of MP regen. Sa armor naman, we're trying to build max HP and PvP, no, para while farming, kung may mag-attack sa atin, syempre maliit yung damage nila sa atin. For the pants, we are building pen resistance and magical pen resistance, para overall na rin siya, pati na rin siya pang farm. Also sa gloves natin, magical AQ, since magic yung Deccan Sage, and also max HP, so pang heal na rin natin. And we're building Eva sa boots, supposedly physical Eva and HP, also HP pot increase. However, we have ang accessories natin is ganito, no. We have Eva, so i-maximize natin yung Eva. So yun yung build natin, no, for our Deccan Sage na bubuuhin. I hope I can transition to Deccan Sage soon for faster farming. That will be all for my video today. Hope you learned something. Thank you, guys. Thanks.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to Brothers TV.